Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It's fantastic to be back with you today.
It really is. How are you today, Adam?
I'm doing great, thank you. I've got my coffee right here, so I'm ready to go. How about you?
I'm feeling wonderful, thanks. And I'm really excited about our topic today.
Ooh, that sounds interesting. You said it's a very important topic. What is it about?
Today, we're going to answer a big question, one that every English learner asks at some point.
Oh, really? What's the question?
The question is, how can I learn English fast?
Ah, yes, fast. I like fast.
Me too. But learning fast doesn't mean rushing. It's about learning smart.
Exactly. So today, we'll share some simple, practical tips to help you learn English faster and better.
And before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
That's right. Your support means a lot to us.
All right, Adam, ready to learn faster?
Always ready.
Great. Let's get started.
Hey, Sarah. I've been thinking about something lately.
What is it this time, Adam? Another new hobby?
Not exactly. I've been trying to learn English faster, but I feel like I'm moving too slowly.
Oh, I know that feeling. You study every day, but it feels like you're not getting anywhere.
Exactly. Sometimes I study for hours on Sunday, but then I skip the next few days, and then I forget everything I learned.
That's a classic mistake. You know, I used to do that too, but I found a plan that actually works.
Really? Tell me. I'm all ears.
Okay, first, you need a plan, a daily routine. Without a routine, you just drift.
A routine? Like studying at the same time every day?
Yes, but not just that. You have to study in small, focused blocks.
Small blocks?
Yes, instead of 4 hours once a week, do 30 minutes every day.
30 minutes? That sounds so little.
It's not little if you do it every day. Consistency beats intensity.
Huh. I guess that makes sense. So what should I do during those 30 minutes?
Don't do the same thing every day. Mix it up. That's how you keep your brain interested.
Okay. Give me an example.
Sure. Monday, listening practice. Tuesday, reading. Wednesday, writing. Thursday, vocabulary. Friday, speaking.
Oh, I like that. It's like a weekly English gym. Each day, I train a different skill.
Exactly. And then Saturday is your review day.
Review day?
Yes, the day when you go back to everything you learned during the week.
Wait, no new words on Saturday?
No new words. Only review.
But I want to learn fast.
To go fast, you must not forget what you've already learned.
So true. Sometimes I learn apple and forget banana.
Exactly. That's why you need review day. It helps your brain store the words long term.
Okay. Monday, listening. Tuesday, reading. Wednesday, writing. Thursday, vocabulary. Friday, speaking. Saturday, review. What about Sunday?
Sunday? Rest day.
Rest? Oh no, that sounds too easy.
Trust me, it's not. Rest is part of the process, but we'll get to that later.
All right, fair enough. So let's go back to Monday. Listening. How should I do that?
You can listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, or short stories. The key is to stay focused.
But I usually just let English play in the background while I cook or check my phone. That counts, right?
Not really. That's passive listening.
Passive listening.
Yes, it means you're hearing English, but not really paying attention.
Okay, so what's active listening then?
Active listening means your brain is working. You listen carefully, pause, repeat, and take notes.
Sounds serious. So, what do I need?
First, a notebook. A special English notebook just for new words or phrases.
Got it. Notebook ready. What next?
When you hear a new word, pause the audio. Write the word down.
Okay, pause, write.
Then, repeat the word out loud.
Say it aloud.
Yes, you see it, you hear it, and you speak it. That's 3 senses working together.
Oh, that makes sense. Hearing, seeing, saying. It's like a triangle of learning.
Exactly. It helps your brain remember faster.
So the rule is pause, write, repeat.
Perfect. That's the golden rule.
I like that. Pause, write, repeat. Easy to remember.
And powerful. When you do that every day, your brain becomes more active and you remember faster.
But won't that slow me down?
Maybe a little at first, but later you'll realize you're learning faster because you actually remember things.
True. I hate forgetting words I just learned yesterday.
Then this method is perfect for you.
So, after 1 week, my notebook will be full of new words. What should I do with them?
That's where your review day comes in.
Right. Saturday.
Exactly. On review day, open your notebook, read the words, say them again, and make simple sentences.
Like, the coffee is on the table?
Exactly. Short, clear sentences are best.
I like this plan already. It's simple but smart.
Yes, simple and effective. And remember, your brain loves patterns.
So, the pattern is learn, review, rest.
Exactly. And soon, English will start to feel natural.
That sounds amazing. I can't wait to try it tomorrow.
Great. But we're not finished yet. We still have to talk about effort and rest.
Effort and rest? Sounds like work and sleep.
You're not wrong, but it's a lot more interesting than it sounds.
Okay, Sarah, tell me more about this effort and rest idea.
All right. Effort means working smart, not just working hard.
What's the difference?
Hard work means studying for hours without a plan. Smart work means using time wisely, focusing, and being active.
So, listening passively isn't smart work.
Exactly. It feels like studying, but your brain is half asleep.
Yeah, that's me after lunch.
To make real progress, you need to challenge your brain. Speak out loud, write down new words, and use them.
Got it. Challenge the brain.
And after effort comes rest.
Rest still sounds lazy to me.
Oh no, it's not lazy at all. Rest is when your brain organizes everything you learned.
Really?
Yes, think of your brain like a library. When you study, you collect books. When you rest, your brain puts those books on the right shelves.
Wow. I never thought of it like that.
Sleep helps your memory. It's like your brain cleaning up and saving files overnight.
So, if I stay up late studying, it doesn't help?
Actually, it can hurt your progress. A tired brain learns slowly.
So, rest is like part of the learning plan.
Exactly. Study for 30 focused minutes, Then rest, walk, or do something fun.
Like watching a funny movie or listening to music?
Yes, that's perfect. You're still surrounded by English, but in a relaxed way.
I think I can do that. My brain loves breaks.
Everyone's brain does. That's how you keep motivation high.
So, to summarize, plan, effort, review, and rest.
You got it. That's the full English fast plan.
I love it. It's not magic, it's just smart.
Exactly. Anyone can do it if they stay consistent.
I'm going to start tomorrow. 30 minutes, every day, one skill per day.
Perfect. And remember, don't be too hard on yourself.
Yeah, I tend to get frustrated when I forget things.
Everyone does. That's normal. Progress is not always visible day by day.
So true. I guess patience is part of the plan too.
Absolutely. Patience, consistency, and rest.
You know, this conversation made me realize something.
What's that?
Learning English isn't about speed. It's about rhythm, a balance between study and rest.
Wow, that's beautifully said. Yes, exactly. It's a rhythm.
And maybe that's why so many people quit. They try to run too fast without resting.
Right. They burn out. But when you rest, you come back stronger.
Like muscles after exercise?
Exactly. Your brain is a muscle too.
Okay, Sarah, let me try to repeat the full plan. Tell me if I got it right.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Step 1. Have a plan. Daily time blocks. Monday listening, Tuesday reading, Wednesday writing, Thursday vocabulary, Friday speaking, Saturday review, Sunday rest.
Perfect start.
Step 2. Use effort. Active learning. Pause, write, repeat. No sleepy brain allowed.
Right.
Step 3. Review day. Open notebook, read, speak, and make simple sentences.
Excellent.
Step 4. Rest. Sleep well, take breaks, enjoy learning.
Perfect. You just mastered the Mr. Adam Fast Plan.
Mr. Adam Fast Plan. That sounds professional.
Maybe we should start our own channel. Adam and Sarah English.
I like that idea. We'll help people learn smart, not hard.
And we can remind them, learning English is a journey, not a race.
Yes. And we'll tell them to like and subscribe too. Gently, of course.
Of course, if you enjoyed our talk, please give us a like and share it with your friends.
You sound like a real host already.
Maybe I've been watching too many YouTube lessons.
Probably. But hey, it works. You're proof the plan is real.
It is. I used this method and my English improved faster than I expected.
That gives me hope. Maybe in a few months, I'll sound more natural too.
You will. Just stay patient, stay curious, and don't skip review day.
Deal. And when I get fluent, coffee's on me.
I'll hold you to that.
Thanks, Sarah. Talking with you always makes things clearer.
You're welcome, Adam. Now go write that plan down before you forget.
I'm on it. Notebook, pen, schedule, ready to start fast.
That's the spirit. Let's help English learners everywhere do the same.
Absolutely. To everyone listening, don't give up. You can do it, one step at a time.
And remember, learn smart, rest well, and keep going. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!